Pressure washers come in all shapes and sizes, from carry-round units to huge and heavy ones that need chunky wheels for easy transporting. A pressure washer is a high-pressure mechanical sprayer used to remove loose paint, mold, grime, dust, mud, and dirt from surfaces and objects such as buildings, vehicles, and concrete surfaces. So if you're looking for one, then these are some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The X3000 electric pressure washer generates up to 2030 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow for maximum cleaning power. It packs a powerful punch with its 1800 watt by 14.5 amp motor. It is equipped with a dual detergent tank system and stores two different types of detergent simultaneously in its two 0.9 liter onboard removable detergent tanks. Also, it features a 34-inch extension spray wand to access hard-to-reach areas. It provides a TSS, total stop system, trigger that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged to save energy and prolong pump life. It includes a 34-inch extension wand, 20-foot high-pressure hose, 35-foot power cord with a GFCI protection. Moreover, it provides a 34-inch extension spray wand to access hard-to-reach areas, such as two-story buildings and the undersides of automotive vehicles and lawn equipment.